Hello, I have an important question for you. Are you interested in becoming a professional ballet dancer? If your answer is yes, this video is for you. Do you know where to start? Deciding how and where to go for training is one of the most important decisions you will make. My name is Arsen Strobin, and I'm a graduate of the Moscow Choreographic School under instructor Alexander Bondarenko and the founder of Dance Channel TV. Now, with 30+ years of experience in the world of ballet, I would like to use my knowledge and experience to help individuals and parents answer the questions you may have. It will guide you into the right direction to achieve your dance dreams. You're spending the money and time and might not know if the training you choose will lead you to your dream career. A dancer's body is an instrument of their career, and if it's not trained properly, not only the injuries can occur, but the career may become impossible. I'm launching a free webinar where I will remove the curtain and reveal the truth about the world of ballet. Now you might ask why I'm doing this. I know that ballet is a challenging art form. I wanted its beauty to be preserved and presented correctly. This will increase a desire for audience to see it more and more. It all starts with the right training. Ballet training can be a long and expensive investment. In this webinar, I'll be sharing my knowledge about what to look for when deciding where to start your training to become a professional dancer. Sign up for my webinar with the information below, and see you soon.